This is the video for Module 14, Steel Sheet Pile Cell Wharf Structures. Steel sheet pile cells are a series of steel sheet piles that are driven into the soil. Each pile is interlocked to create a wall. Fill materials are placed behind the wall. Steel sheet pile cell structures are used to keep the water out and separate the dirt and the water. They can also be used as breakwaters and serve as mooring points. Damage to steel sheet pile structures can result from excessive vessel impacts or winter ice impacts, poor foundation materials, or scouring at the toe of the steel sheet pile cells. This structure shows corrosion and holing of the steel sheet pile cells near the low water level. In this photo, there is a damaged section of the steel sheet pile cell structure. The following components should be inspected during operational visual inspections of steel sheet pile cell structures. Face of the steel sheet pile cells. Water supply lines. Deck surfaces. Structure face alignment. Bollards. Mooring cleats and mooring rings. Wheel guards, electrical supply lines, hoists and davits, concrete copewall face, ladders, fenders, chains and wire ropes. Identifying potential problems. Look for large gaps at the concrete deck joints, large cracks or holes in the concrete deck surfaces, depressions and/or holes in the asphalt pavement, or spilled fill materials appearing on the harbor bottom adjacent to the structure. To identify structural problems in the steel sheet pile cell, look for outward bulging of the copewall, increased gaps in joints in the copewall. To identify damaged rubber fenders, ladders, or wheel guards, look for missing, loose, or damaged rubber fenders, missing, damaged, or loose ladders, or missing, loose, or broken wheel guard sections. To identify if you have damaged, loose, or missing miscellaneous steel elements and hardware, look for missing, bent, or loose ladder rungs, missing or broken chains, wire ropes, shackles, bolts, or brackets. Look for broken or missing mooring rings or cleats. Major repair work may be required if problems are due to the failure or deterioration of structural elements that the miscellaneous steeled elements are secured to. What you do depends on the severity of the damage. Except in the case of minor damage, you should close and barricade the section of the structure affected and immediately notify your small craft harvest contact. You should also identify, photograph, and map the problem. In cases of minor damage, repair the localized damage with materials of equal quality and dimensions, if agreed to by Small Craft Harbor's staff. Proper maintenance is essential to preserving the life of the harbor. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules and watch the maintenance film. This is the end of Module 14. Steel sheet pile cell wharf structures. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules.